But I think that most of you came here just to listen and maybe to know whether I am in the hustings already for the president. Sabi ko sa iyo, wala talaga. I am sorry, but talagang wala sa wala na sa, sabi ko nga, hindi ko na panahon. I never aspired for any national position, but he's still alive. After alunan, gusto ni Presidente Ramos, ako yung DILG. I said, sir, hindi ko type talaga yung national. Actually, I do not like Manila. Ano dito eh. Gulo, tapos traffic. Then, kay Erap, sabi niya minsan, DILG, or sabi niya, ikaw na lang yung Customs School Commissioner ko na. Sos Mario Joseph, sir. Bigay mo yan sa iba, hindi ko type yung customs. Mamamatay ako dyan. Sigurado, papatay ako talaga dyan. Then, kay Ma'am Gloria, the last offer was Secretary of Defense. Nandiyan si Colonel Esperon, General Esperon. Gusto ni Presidente Arroyo nung I'll take over from Norberto Gonzales. Ayaw kasi ng mga military si Norberto. I don't know, but he's a good man. And itong Pinoy, to the day that he took his out of office, there was really no secretary for local government.